All right, mate. Yeah, sorry. I seen this earlier and I completely forgot about it. MDT. Let's have a look. Um, yeah, I like this base. You know, I like the base is starting to curl up. This looks good to me, and it looks like it wants to kind of BART back to the upside. I mean, a lot of coins have been running to the upside, so it does look like that it's true. I mean, your stop would have to go below today's lows. The thing that I don't really like about it is that we didn't stop hunt these lows. See this should have stop hunted the lows down here, ideally, but it is a big drop, right? You can see, well, even from the very highs, it's a decent drop. It's down 50%. So, you know, to get some sort of reaction and bounce off this level, it seems to be very plausible, very possible. You can see here, even after this drop, you know, there was a return back up to the mean into the 50% area. So I have to think it's very interesting. This is definitely one to be watching on a new 3-day also. I mean, it's 13 hours away, but you have to start thinking that this is probably wanting to be green on a 3-day. If it does dip more, it looks really good for a buy then as well. But I mean, you know, if this is a small dip and then flips green on a new 3-day, you have to think that you know, there might be a 38% retrace into here, or even a 50% retrace up on here, and that's a decent move. You know, just eyeballing it here, you know, 30% or whatever. So it's definitely an interesting one. Weekly, you can see the weekly. You know, it's trying to stop hunt or deviate below this previous low. And what I do like about this more than everything else is there's a stop hunt below this large weekly candle, and now we're holding and bouncing back up. So that's a positive in my view. There's 4 days left here, and you would have to think that this is going to at least attempt to push up a little bit, even though overall this is bearish and this should go lower eventually after a bounce. But you know, there may be a bounce into this. So it is a bearish pattern, so you need to keep a tight stop and be careful. It's obviously red on the month as well, as you can see here. So it is a knife catch, so you got to be careful on knife catches. So you know, the way to trade it obviously is trade a new 3-day candle. Really, I think that's probably the best bet. It's flat on the day as well.